how to generate QR code for Facebook page. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you on how you can create a QR code for your Facebook page. So follow the steps. You need to go ahead and open your browser and then search for QR code Monkey. Go ahead and search for it. Now go to its official website. Then open your Facebook page on a new tab. Go to its profile. Simply go ahead and copy the URL link from the top of the screen. Come to QR Code Monkey website and paste your link over here. You can also add your name, which is optional, and then select the content category. Now tap on Customize and download QR. You can go ahead and select pre-made templates. You can add frames, background, additional text, body patterns, and a lot more options available. If you want it simple, like a classic QR mode, you can go ahead and tap on download QR code, which is highlighted in purple color. You can also choose to set your format and size. Now, once the QR code is downloaded, you can go ahead and share it among your friends, family, or anyone on Facebook. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.